Hi, in this video, I will show you how to export video from Capcut to YouTube. So first thing to do here is you have to create a new project, or if you have an existing project, all you have to do is to export. So let's just say you want to, or you're creating a tutorial about Snapchat, and this is my video here. I import this from a gallery. Okay, so you can add effects, you can add text, whatever you want to do with your project right here. Once done, at the top right corner, you just have to click export right here. And as you can see, it's now exporting your project. So wait till it reaches 100%. And then once it reaches 100%, you will see here that this project of yours from Capcut, you can just easily share this to any of these platforms below here. One of the social media platforms is the YouTube channel or the YouTube. So all you have to do is to share this to your YouTube. Actually, you can also exit and go to YouTube and then import or upload this video. But to make it easier, you just have to click YouTube and it will take you directly to your YouTube account if it's signed in to your device. All you have to do is to edit, add sound, add text, and then add details for visibility, location, audience, and then you can also add caption. And once done, you can now upload this. The other way, like what I mentioned earlier, just open your YouTube account or YouTube channel and then upload a video, add some effects, sounds, text, add some captions, and then upload your video. As easy as that. So all you have to do is to create a project from your CapCut and then share this or upload this to your YouTube account or channel. As easy as that. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.